Welcome to 22 Desi official Chitri Deep. Today, we're cooking a mouth-watering egg and fried rice with boneless chili chicken combo that tastes just like your favorite restaurants, ready in just 2 minutes. Let's dive in. Heat up your pan and drizzle some oil. Toss in finely chopped garlic, onions and veggies like carrots and capsicum. Crack in 2 eggs and scramble them beautifully. Now add your cooked rice. Always use cold, leftover rice for that perfect texture. Add soy sauce, vinegar, black pepper and a pinch of salt. Stir fry on high flame and watch the magic happens. Add peas for more taste. Watch the full video. Now for the showstopper, take boneless chicken cubes, coat with corn flour, maida, egg, salt, and pepper. Deep fry until golden. In another pan, heat oil, soak garlic, onion, green chilies, and capsicum. Add red chili sauce, soya sauce, vinegar, and a dash of sugar. Add the fried chicken. Coat well and garnish with spring onions. Look at that stunning combo, spicy, crispy, eggy, and flavorful. Perfect for lunch, dinner, or weekend cravings. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 22 Desi official Chitri Deep for more delicious content. See you next time, foodies.